Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of this video. You already know what we are gonna discuss in this particular part. So we'll be discussing about a few breakout stocks and few stocks which are at a very good retest zone, जो कि बहुत अच्छा buying opportunity होता है. So without wasting much time, we'll quickly check out the charts of those stocks. Part 2 का first stock which I selected is Sundaram Fasteners, and the chart which you are seeing is in weekly time frame. चार्ट में आपको क्लियरली दिख गया होगा कि मैंने एक कप एंड हैंडल प्लॉट किया हुआ है, कप एंड हैंडल, जो कि उसने इस पॉइंट पे ब्रेक कर दिया है. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव अ कप एंड हैंडल ब्रेकआउट इन दिस स्टॉक. सेकंड, अगर मैं आपको डेली टाइम फ्रेम में ले जाऊं तो यहाँ पे भी आपको एक बहुत अच्छा कंसोलिडेशन दिख रहा होगा, ये वाला पॉइंट जो कि नियर टू ब्रेकआउट जोन, मतलब बोला जाता है कि अगर नियर टू ब्रेकआउट जोन ये कंसोलिडेशन हो तो बहुत अच्छा होता है. एंड ऑल्सो दिस ब्रेकआउट कैंडल वाज सपोर्टेड बाय ग्रेट वॉल्यूम्स, एंड अभी थोड़ा सा करेक्शन फेज आ रहा है जो कि फॉर मी इज़ अ गुड टाइम टू एंटर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक. सो मेरे लिए राइट एंट्री फॉर दिस स्टॉक वुड बी एनी लेवल, एनी प्राइस बिटवीन 860 to 890. Second stock which I selected is Dynamic Products Limited, and the time frame which you are seeing is a daily time frame. Clean setup, proper range breakout आया है at this particular point, which is 617. Last day इसने 20% upper circuit दिया है, so it has a great volume activity happened last day, so I'm expecting कि ये continue होगा at least for the coming week or so. So the closing price which is 643 is a high price for me to enter right now, so I am praying कि इसमें थोड़ा सा correction आए तो I will buy it at around 617 to 625. Third stock, Gujarat State Fertilizers Limited, and the time frame which you are seeing is a weekly time frame. This stock I have been tracking since this level, ये level पे जो breakout हुआ था, and since then look at the volume activity which it is giving. And last week आप देख सकते हो कि इसने इस level को तोड़ा है, जो कि ये level था उसका at around 2050. And last week it has given a closing above that particular level, which is 124.50. So looking at the volume activity, I think definitely you can afford to take small amount of risk in this particular stock, in between the price of 124.50 to 126. Fourth stock which I selected, ये basically retest category का stock है, and the name is CCL Products India Limited. Time frame which you are seeing is weekly time frame. So इस particular stock में, as you can clearly see, this was the multi-year breakout level which it had given few weeks back, and वो breakout एक excellent volume के साथ हुआ था, right? And after that breakout we could see that there is a slight correction phase going on, and it is very close to the multi-year breakout level of 373. So I personally consider it as a very low risk setup, जहाँ पे हाई चांसेस ऑफ रिवर्सल है, मतलब अपसाइड जाने का चांसेस ज़्यादा है, एंड इन केस वो ट्रेड नीचे चला गया देन योर स्टॉप लॉस विल बी वेरी नियर. सो हाई रिवॉर्ड लो रिस्क सिनेरियो है. सो राइट एंट्री फॉर दिस स्टॉक वुड बी एनी प्राइस बिटवीन 373 to 380. फिफ्थ स्टॉक जो मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है, अगेन इन द रीटेस्ट कैटेगरी, इज विंध्या टेलीलिंक्स, एंड द चार्ट विच यू आर सीइंग इज वीकली टाइम फ्रेम. अगेन द सेम लॉजिक एज you got in the previous stock. This was a multi-year breakout point. The point was 1080. देख सकते हो आप, this was the level which it tried to break in the year 2016 and then consistently ये try करते रहा, and few weeks back it gave breakout of this level with great volumes, right? So आप clearly देखो volume कितना अच्छा है इस particular stock में since last few weeks. So I think there is high chances of reversal from the current level. Right entry would be any price between 1080 to 1100. Last stock for the day is Tata Consumer Products Limited, and chart time frame which you are seeing is that of daily. Another stock which can be added into your long-term portfolio, and abhi I think it is a very good time to buy it because बहुत अच्छे level पे मिल रहा है. Trading point of view से if I see that this was the channel breakout which it gave at this point, and since then अच्छा consolidate करके ऊपर गया, and right now again it has went into a correction phase जो कि अब वो बहुत ही close आ गया है अपने range breakout के point पे. So I think there are chances that it can again take a U-turn and move up. So trading point of view say right entry would be any price between 760 to 780, but definitely for me it is a long-term category stock, so buying in dips definitely can be a strategy for this particular stock. So that's all I had for the day. I hope you all enjoyed it and could learn out something about reading charts from all the videos which I am sharing. So that's all. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.